Hey guys, thank you guys for joining my channel again. Today I'm gonna check out XG. Um, I'm assuming that's If You Know, You Know, the official music video. I have heard a song by XG before. I think it was called like Left Right or something. It was really popular. I really like that song. I kind of remember a couple of their names. If not, I think I do remember some of their names, but I don't think I've ever heard this song. I for surely haven't seen the video, so I'm pretty excited to check this out. I do want to check out more some more girl groups. So let me know who else I should check out. But like I said, I've never heard this or seen the video, so I'm pretty excited. Anyways, let's get started. See, like that's Kona, I think. I like the sound of this already. Yeah, if you know, you know. Ooh. Oh, this sounds so good. Let me turn it up a little bit more. Oh, I love this. I love the sound of this. Oh, her voice. Oh, look at the dance too. Oh, her voice. Dude, I love the sound of this. Oh, I like the switch. I remember her. I don't remember her name. Let me know. Because of her voice. Her voice is pretty unique to me. Oh. I remember her. Hold on. Her, the one singing right here. I'm gonna go back. I really liked her voice. Her voice. Oh, her voice sounds so pretty. Let me know her name. I mean, all of their voices sound really good, but... Oh. No, I love this dance. What the hell? Dude, I love this. Nah, the dance is sick. Oh, they were really good at rapping too. Ooh. Yeah, she was a rapper. Oh, I love this. This sounds so good. Oh, back to Mellow. Oh, their voices sound so good. Why have I never heard this before? Oh, this beat is so good right here. I know you guys hear the harmonizing too. I love the dance. Oh, the dancing is so good. I love the sound of this. Oh, I know you guys hear that. Oh, that sounds amazing. No, that's over. Ah, this was so good. I want to go back. There was a part I really liked the choreography. XG Al. Let me know what this is or how to pronounce that. What does that mean? Oh, sorry. Let me go back. There was a part right here, I think. Yeah, right here. I think it was like right here. The choreography. Sorry. Dude, this song is so good. See? I'm sorry for the dancing. I love this choreography. Oh, this is so catchy. Ah, I love how she comes in on the beat to rap. Oh, the runs too. She has a nice voice. I like her voice is like deeper. And then like, oh, you hear her voice. Oh, they all have amazing voices. Dude, this is such a good song. Dude, I can't like the dance they were doing. Oh, this is so catchy. Nah, this is going in my playlist. I want to hear this like in the car when I'm driving. Or like, dude, they're dancing. I love the choreography to this. Nah, this sounds amazing. I love this part. Oh, that sounds amazing. No, that was so good. That was amazing. Let me know what this says or what it stands for, but that was really good. That was amazing. Like I said, I had heard, I think Left Right is what it was called. I don't know when it came out, but that was really good. This is If You Know You Know. I really like this. This is going straight into my playlist. Dude, they're really good. I love the choreography. I love the dancing. Their voice is really good. There is a member. I asked you guys during the video. Let me know what her name is. I think she has a really pretty voice. I mean, they all do, but I don't know why hers stuck out to me a little bit more. But anyways, let me know who that is, who the members are. But I really like this song, so please recommend me something else. I'd love to check out some more XG. But anyways, I don't want to make this too long. I really like this. This is really good. Please recommend something else that I should check out by them. But anyways, I hope this finds you guys well, and have a good day.